How to reset YouTube recommendations. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset YouTube recommendations. To reset your YouTube recommendations, you can take a few steps to clear out your watch history and search history which normally influence the recommendation you receive. For that, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. On the browser in the search bar, you need to type in youtube.com. Then press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of YouTube. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you will be able to see your profile icon. Click on your profile icon and from this drop down, here you need to select your data in YouTube. Click on this option and once you reach to this page, here you need to scroll down until you find this YouTube watch history. Now here you will be able to see manage your YouTube watch history link. Click on this link or the option and here you need to click on this delete button at the right side. Click on this delete and confirm it by clicking on delete once more. Here I have already deleted my YouTube history, so the delete button is not available here. After doing that, return back to the previous page by clicking on this arrow and then here scroll down to find YouTube search history. Once doing that, again you will see manage your YouTube search history option below it. Click on this option and again here you need to click on delete button right here and confirm it by clicking on delete once again. Now this will clear all your watch history and search history. After doing that, again come back to the previous page. And here, if you want to delete your Google history too, you need to scroll down and here you'll find this web and app activity. Click on the see and delete activity option below it. And from here now click on this delete button at the right bottom. Select all time from here and then click on next. You'll need to click on this delete button in order to delete all your web activity. Once doing that, all your activity will be deleted. Now you have successfully resetted your YouTube recommendations. So by following the steps, you should be able to reset YouTube recommendations. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.